How to find the blocked accounts on Discord. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can find the blocked accounts on Discord app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Discord app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And here, once you're inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And here, once you are in your profile section, simply tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the settings section. Now from here, you simply have to scroll down and tap on content and social. And here, right under content and social, if you scroll down to the bottom there, you can see the option labeled as blocked accounts. So simply tap on that. And here in this section, you will see the list of accounts that you have blocked on Discord. And that's it. That's how you can find the blocked accounts on Discord. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.